Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be. I just wish I had.
Hey! So, ito na ang rough road, tapos paahon.
Ito rin yung pinapakita sa vlog.
Na
Nakaawan.
ahon.
Gano'n na ito, ano na eh. Nagsak na eh.
Oo. Tapos one way, no? Na may pababa. Bibigay yung pababa.
Siyempre, priority yan ano eh.
Sana kaya to ng ano, no? Automatic. Tapos loaded.
Ay yan, loaded naman sa'yo eh. Ito yung sinasabi nila, hindi po. Kakaiba.
Nalulula ako. Oh, sheesh.
Ito pa isa. Pero yan.
Hey!
Ang lupit mo, Luna!
L300 Gaming to Camp Ragsak. Camp Ragsak ba yung napin ko?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Ang haba ng struggle, tapos di pala Camp Ragsak yung napin.
Hello, yun yung campsite eh.
Hey! Oo, napakatarik po namin. Ito po ang baba. Ano naman?
Oh, saan tayo? Nagawa pa lang po. Saan tayo, Briggs?
Dito. Saan may kalsada?
Driving na tayo.
Ayun na!
May nakita ba kayo?
Ayun na tayo!
May nakita kayo?
Wala.
Kala ko.
Oh, yung ganda! Oh my God!
Hindi medyo traffic.
Dinosaur Park.
Nalulula ako. Sakto yung gulong.
Parang sorry na.
Oh, saan yun?
Ahon is real.
Ito pa yun?
Oh.
Sa kabila, ano?
Saan ba? Taas? Ayan oh, may gate.
Ayan na yun.
Ano ka mga ni Badyo? Aso?
Ang ganda ng view. Dito pa lang.
Boss, pwede ba magtanong? Dito po ba yung Camp Ragsak? Ito na yan. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ang lupit pa Lola. Sa kaalamat. Ano ito? Video mo.
Yes! Camp Ragsak.
Saan yung binigay sa ating miss?
Teka lang. Tanong muna natin. Kung asan yung parking. Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Tayo lang naka L3. Puro pick up yan. Dito tayo. Ito tayo lang may pick up.
Good job.
Pader yung inahon eh. Nalulula ako eh.
Iyak nga yun siya eh.
Si Ento.
Lumulungan.
Feeling ko parang lagi kang kakapusin.
Hindi, pinapagalan lang yun. Maglo-login ka para maka-solid ang ahon. Pag naka-high gear kasi, dito. Mo, bag.
Bawal ka malun ka.
Takot na yun sa mga ganyan. Nalulula.
Nay, potek.
Saan na tayo, Fritz? Ano na yung ano nito?
Ikaw confirm
Possible.
pa.
Ano kaya view doon, kuya?
Alright, time check. 12 PM. So, busy po ang lahat.
Dalian nyo na.
Dahil oras na po ng kainan. At kararating lang po namin dito sa Camp Ragsak. Ano kaya ang ano to, view? Ano ba to? La Trinidad tong nakikita natin na to. So, bayan po siya ng La Trinidad. Ito po, sa mapa. Ayan.
Parang may kamay mo. Dito ako.
Alright. All set. Tatlong awning.
Yung hamon ko, hindi ko alam kung kaya ako.
Doon ka sa hamok nag-alangan ah.
Hindi ba yung puno tsaka yung tali?
Pagtingin ko ka.
Kaya yan.
Kaya.
Ate Zay kaya?
Sarap.
Ate Zay kaya?
Isang tent. Dalawa.
Play lang to eh.
May isa pa bang tent? Lalagyan na lang dito.
Sarap dito, Jo.
Sila Beng.
Tapos
dito tayo magano.
Makahiga nga ako.
Di pwede. May maluluto yung tent natin. Dapat sa open area.
Diyan o. Dito o. Sa taas.
Yan. Kahit dito. O dun, sa taas.
Pwede gawin vampire?
Di pwede mag-bonfire dito, maluluto yung
Ito
tent.
lahat yun. Pag tinago to, pag buka mo, pilas-pilas yan.
Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang.
Iyon o.
Nila. Tara dito. Tara dito.
O ha? Pero ito yung La Trinidad. Ikot tayo. Ay hindi, palipad tayo ng drone. Ito ang La Trinidad, kitang kita. Maganda pala yung spot nung ano. Nung mga may naka-tent ay hindi car camp. Dahil ayun. Tapos dito anong view ang meron? Taas. Yung pine tree dito. Sunset. Tapos yung sunrise nandito. Okay. Ito yung sunrise bukas. Mukhang magandang abangan. Yun o, solid. So, ito yung ating spot. Covered ng ano, ng mga puno. Tapos maraming matatalian.
Macho, huwag ka dyan.
Gusto yung mga aso, lab? Kuya, kaya yung ano? Umiyak si Macho, kuya?
Pwede nilagay yung ano, Pechay Baguio.
Kunin na lahat.
Beng, aray mo.
Matanggal.
Lalagyan.
Nilalagyan.
Alas alam mo ano applicator pa. Nail cutter.
DIY.
Oo.
Ayun ko dyan sa'yo.
Isang bote na ano yun. Perfect yan eh. Kuya, pang huga.
Anong ginagawa niya? Tatagalin niya yung plastic? Or riripilan niya ng gel?
Nine. Solid, no?
Ganda.
Mas maganda pa yung view dito kaysa sa Valley Point.
Ganda. Ganda.
Angas, no?
Angas.
Sulit-sulit pa yung lift. Tsaka yung si Cliff. Hindi mo lang saan ka pupunta titingin eh, no?
Tawag ka dyan sa bumabalik.
Oo nga, di mo
New Year. Happy New Year, kuya.
New Year.
Happy New Year po.
Lagayin niya ng coil.
Uso mong basa? Oo, lagyan mo na to. Yo, ano ba? Dito tayo, tabi tayo dito. Dito tayo. Tumumba na yung tubigan ko.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream. Okay, this a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it up, you got one life to pop. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out, I already stand.
Alright, time check, 9:40. And today is January 1, 2026. At tapos na kami mag-camp dito sa Camp Ragsak. At kami pauwi na. At ito na naman yung daan na extra challenge. Gusto ko nga magpakita sa inyo gamit ang ating Ace Pro. Pero tignan nyo muna tong view na to. Napakaganda. Yan. Sobrang scenic ng view. And ito ang daan.
possibly need
Bukan natin
more.
i-balanse as much as possible.
Yes, he said
Sa
Felix is
hawak.
himself today.
Okay, I'm listening.
Is that some spy stuff? 'Cause that is fantastic.
Yun, aray ko.
What is it that you do for genetics?
My company is developing new medication.
So, ganyan po, Katarek. Ang daan papunta ng Camp Ragisa.
What does that mean in this case?
They say you're good at procuring things and not asking a lot of questions.
Bukan nating i-level hanggat maaari
Untroubled by
sa...
possible legal or ethical implications.
Oh, they need to shut up.
Oh, take it as a compliment.
And now, starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me.
Ganda na kapin yan. Palit ako. Oo, sabi mo na eh. Napapasama pa tayo. Hindi tayo sumusunod kay Google. Fake it sa Marino. Akala ko kukunin yung kakuha na ito sa camera. Aabot pa yan? Saan tayo sa cover? Ano na lang?
I'm gonna need a
Kung
number.
saan abutan ng tanghali?
10, 6 zeros?
Hindi kayo doon sa ano.
Including the
Sa
one that's in the
biyahe,
tent?
papunta doon sa...
No.
Tol eh.
It's a fortune. Spend
Papuntang
it.
tol lang.
It's the kind of money I
Rosario?
mean you'd never have to put your life on the
La
line
Union?
ever again.
Pwede.
Alright, what's the hit?
Cake naman eh. Cake naman.
Possible criminal charges?
Wow.
Now going to a place where every government on the planet has outlawed travel.
Well, we better not tell anyone then.
Oh, ang galing ah. Ito
That might
babae.
be a problem. He doesn't know it yet, but we're bringing a
Dito yun. Ano
civilian.
nila gagawin?
The Neo-Jurassic Age has proven lethal to dinosaurs. Though some species can survive in a few isolated
Wala po tayong pupuntahan dun eh.
Wala, sarado establishment sa Baguio eh.
equatorial regions.
Ano gagawin natin tayo dadaan?
Hindi, Marcos.
Saan lang tayo? Yung malap, ano lang?
Sige, double check ko lang po muna sa mapa kung makakadaan tayo.
Iyay.
Ay, Lionhead!
Nandito na rin lang tayo.
Sunflower. Oh, marigold niya.
Good morning, Doctor. Sorry to drop in
Hindi
unannounced.
Lionhead pa tayo.
Can we have a word? Sorry to overtake.
Gusto nila eh.
Dr. Henry Loomis,
Wait lang.
Paul Bennett,
Stop na lang dito.
Sorry, what mission?
Waste ko.
And
Guys, wait.
ayan na po yung
Take a break
kanto
for a minute, okay?
ng kung kakanan La Trinidad, tas pakaliwa is Baguio City. So, yun lang. Mamamasyal muna kami.
Largest dinosaur species on record. Computer modeling suggests it could forestall coronary disease by an average of